There's a boyfriend t-shirt and then there's a girlfriend t-shirt. Both look the exact same. But the girlfriend is paying much more. Why? Because of the pink tax. Now don't be perplexed. You must be thinking that I'm shopping stuff for so long. How come I've never come across the term pink tax? Pink tax is basically a marketing trick played by the brands on women's products. Because the companies think that compared to men, women are less money sensitive. And for their favorite products, women can and will pay more price. So on exactly what women's products pink tax is imposed on? Salon, parlor personal services, shampoos, soaps, deodorants, perfumes, skincare, clothing, toys, accessories and jewelries. Basically everything that looks pink or is associated with pink. Presently, women are heavily exploited by vegan products and non-animal tested cosmetics that are significantly more expensive. And pink tax is something that is not restricted only till India. Across the globe, for example, investigations in the UK revealed prices differences, such as women's deodorant being 8.9% pricier than men's. Then there's women's facial moisturizer costing 34.28% more. Then according to ClearTax, the New York State Department of Consumer Affairs have found that products targeted towards women were priced 7% higher than men's products or gender neutral products. This merciless disparity is also imposed on women's personal care and hygiene products like sanitary pads or vaginal foam wash. And do you know the irony of collecting pink tax from women? That women get 14.85% less than men in India, and yet they have to pay 100% premium for products targeted at them. Hence, today women-centric brands, flag bearer of women empowerment, are actually themselves the perpetuator of gender-based discrimination. For more such interesting videos, keep watching NewsX.